Why are you so pissed? All you did was get a bath. All you did was get a bath. Why are you so pissed? Why are you so angry? Okay. Yep. I'm sorry. You were filthy. You were really, really filthy. And now you're clean. I can see how that would piss you off. Yep. Circles. And yes, that's where it took place. And okay. Are you done? No? Okay. Don't mess up the bed too much. Or get your hair all over. Are you done? No? Are you leaving? See you later. Where are you going? Where are you going? Liberty. Liberty. Come on, love bug. What do you hear? What is that? What do you see? Liberty? Come on. There's nothing there. Come on.